In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer channel ownership in Telegram. By the end, you'll know exactly how to hand over control of a Telegram channel securely and confidently. First, open the Telegram app. Make sure you are signed in with the account that currently owns the channel. From your chat list, open the channel you want to transfer. At the top, tap the channel name to open the channel's info page, where all the key settings live. Next, head into the Administrators section. Here, tap Add Administrator and choose the person you want to make the new owner. You can pick them from recent members or search for their profile. This person needs to be a Telegram user you trust, since ownership grants full control of the channel. When you select them, Telegram will show a detailed list of admin rights. Before you proceed, turn on every permission for the new admin. This is important. Make sure each toggle is enabled, and pay special attention to add new admins. Ownership transfer requires the new admin to have all rights, so double-check nothing is left off. Think of this as preparing their account with the same capabilities you've had as the owner. Now, scroll to the bottom of the Admin Rights screen and tap Transfer Channel Ownership. Telegram will let you know that this is a significant change. After the transfer, the new owner can manage settings, admins, and the channel's future direction. You can still remain as an admin if they keep you, but you won't be the owner anymore. To complete the handover, enter your two-step verification password when prompted. This is the same two-phase password you use to secure your account. After entering it, select Change Owner to confirm. Telegram will finalize the transfer and you'll see the ownership update immediately. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Only transfer ownership to someone you fully trust and can reach directly. If you don't see the transfer option, make sure you are logged in as the actual owner and that you are using an up-to-date version of the app. Telegram may also require that two-step verification has been enabled for a period of time. If you recently set or changed it, you might see a waiting period before you can transfer. If you've forgotten your two-phase password, complete Telegram's recovery process first, then return to finish the transfer. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.